In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to retouch selfies on your OnePlus 13. So let's say you took a selfie, a very unflattering selfie, and you're not proud of what you took. You can actually use AI to retouch a selfie. So let's use this selfie for instance. Okay, you can see my hair is shaggy, my face doesn't look all that flattering. This is reflection in my glasses. Let's see what the AI on the OnePlus 13 can do to retouch this selfie. So just tap on the editor, and on the editor menu, if you scroll, you should see the option retouch. So you can tap on that, and then if it's the first time, you'll have to install the retouch plugin. So just tap on install. It's gonna get installed, and then of course it's gonna warn you that this will remove the Pro XDR effects from your photo. Just go ahead and accept that, and then now you have all these retouch options. Okay, you can adjust, you can let it auto adjust everything. You can adjust the skin tone, skin texture, you can do spot healing, you can adjust the cheeks, the eyes, eye brightness, dark circles, all that stuff, including the teeth, if your selfie include the teeth. So let's see what this can do. So skin tone, let's first start with auto. So I'm just going to let it auto retouch, and then once it's done, you can tap on compare and see what has happened. Okay, so that's the original, that's the edited, original, edited. So it seems to have shrunk my jaws a bit. Interesting. So let's cancel that, and then let's edit individual aspects. So the skin tone, you can adjust the skin tone. That basically changes the tone of the skin on your face, as you can see. Then you have skin texture. This is going to remove any blemishes you might have on your skin and make your skin as smooth as possible. You have spot healing. This is going to get rid of any spots you might have. I'm trying to see if it's going to get rid of this spot I normally have on my forehead, but it's not doing a very good job at it. We have cheeks. So this one increases the size of the cheeks. This one reduces the size of the cheeks. Okay. You have eye size. This makes your eyes bigger or smaller. Brightness. I didn't see an option to remove any reflection from my spectacles. Okay. So basically that's how you can retouch photos. So you can do this if you're showing your teeth. You can probably whiten the teeth in the picture, but that's basically how to retouch photos on your OnePlus 13. Once you're happy with the edits, you can just always tap on the compare button and see the before and after. Before, after. Okay. If you're happy, just tap on done and save. And then you can choose whether you want to save a copy or just replace the original. I prefer to choose save a copy. And now we have the original and the edited selfie. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.